Hello friends, today I will be discussing about Right to Information in India. Right to Information RTI Act emerged as a powerful instrument for taming corruption in the functioning of public authorities by promoting transparency and accountability. The Act has completed 10 years, but the challenges hindering the successful implementation of the Act are still looming large. The Act is slowly moving away from its goal owing to many factors such as lack of awareness, improper maintenance of records, poor compliance to public disclosure of information mentioned under the Section 4 of the Act, inconvenient fee depositing mechanism, lack of sustained training mechanism for employees, misuse of the Act, pendency of appeals before information commissions, and lack of legislative measures for protection of whistleblowers. For making the Act a success, it is essential to conduct massive awareness campaign for citizens to maintain proper official records for facilitating provision of information under the Act. Right to Information (RTI) is an index to measure the growth and development of a country. In India, till 2005, the citizens had no access to any information which was dealt by a public authority. Matters affecting public interest was not easy for a common man to get accessibility. Thus, without getting relevant information, it was difficult for a citizen to participate in any social, political, or economical issues or interests of the country. RTI is inherent in democratic functioning and precondition to good governance and realization of all other human rights. The main objective of the law on RTI are to operationalize the fundamental right to information, to set up systems and mechanisms that facilitate people's easy access to information, and minimize corruption. Accountability in governance to minimize corruption, and in efficiency in public offices to ensure people's participation in governance and decision making. Important features of the Right to Information Act 2005. First, every citizen possesses the right to information. Second, the term information includes any mode of information in any form of record, document, email, circular, press release, contract sample, or electronic data, etc. Third, right to information covers inspection of work, document, record, and its certified copy and information in any other electronic mode. Fifth, applicant can obtain information within 30 days from the date of request in a normal case. Sixth, information can be obtained within 48 hours from time of filing the request if it is a matter of life or liberty of a person. Every public authority is under obligation to provide information on written request or request by electronic means. Certain information is prohibited for security reasons. Penalty for not providing information is Rs 250 per day. But the total amount of penalty should not exceed Rs 25,000. Central Information Commission and State Information Commission are to be constituted by the central government. No court can entertain any suit, application, or other proceedings in respect of any order made under the Act. RTI thus became a tool for promoting participatory development, strengthening democratic governance, and facilitating effective delivery of socio-economic services. In the knowledge society in which we live today, acquisition of information and new knowledge and its application have intense and pervasive impact on processes of taking informed decisions, resulting in overall the need of RTI for good governance. The enactment of the Right to Information Act 2005 was a landmark in the history of India. The new legislation brought sensitivity, responsibility, and accountability to the development process, especially in the rural areas. RTI Act is path-breaking in controlling corruption and delays in the implementation of government-sponsored programs and in the functioning of public authorities. Information and knowledge are critical for realizing all the human aspirations, such as improvement in quality of life. Before this Act, the accountability of public authority was practically minimal. The people who voted for the formation of democratically elected governments and paid taxes to finance public activities had no legal rights to know as to what process has been followed in framing the policies affecting them, how the programs have been implemented, who are the concerned officials associated with the decision-making process, and execution of the schemes, and why the promises made for delivery of essential goods and services to the poor have not been fulfilled. Thank you.